Hey guys, welcome back to Cookin' with Spitz. It's me, your host, the Jimmiest of Spitz. Emphasis on Jimmy, if you know what I mean. Spitz too, if you... never mind. Today we're gonna be cooking one of my all-time favorite dishes. Microwave popcorn surprise. Something my mother used to make for me every night when she got home for one of her dates. Ah, what a lovely woman. She would always let me count the money after she got home. Wait. Oh God, Mama, no! First you're gonna need a bag of popcorn. Any bag will do. As long as it's a bag of popcorn. Huh? Step 2. Find your microwave. I know exactly where ours is because I picked it up last night from some guy in a warehouse. Whoop, there she is. See, it's brand new. Look, I even still got the box right here. You know, Hamilton Beach. That's a nice fucking air fryer. Raisin Bran Crunch. I got all these fucking boxes over here. Tracy, why we got so many boxes over here, Tracy? Tracy, I'm drowning in boxes. Fucking help. Tracy, help. Tracy, help. Okay, take your popcorn, open up the microwave. Oh! Tracy! Tracy, I think I broke my ass! Tracy! Tracy, your fucking cats! Get your cats off me, Tracy! What? Ow, my ass! So now that our popcorn's cooking, we can start on our bowl of mayonnaise. Now, Jimmy's mayonnaise is special. I add a bunch of spices to make it extra manly. I call it Jimmy's Man Mayonnaise. Oh, sounds like the popcorn's done. Let's have a smell, shall we? Looks done. Let's open it up. Fuck. Ah, shit. Fucking sure. It's a little... I can't. Well done, popcorn. Well, it's a little dirty, but the 5-second rule. Hey, don't just blow on it, give it some spits. Germs hate water. All done. This popcorn is moist and ready, just like my dates. I said my dates are moist. Let us stir. Looks good enough to taste. Gotta be careful though. Don't want to spill it on my chain. My mother bought it for me with her date money. Oh God, Mama, no! Mama, no! No! Tracy, I think I burnt the popcorn. Tracy! Oh!